So what we have here is the Ford Explorer 2012 that has either a phantom inside or automatic windshield wipers, or the switch is bad. Key is on, switch is off, and they should not be operating. So in order to confirm if the wiper control module on the stock is the problem, we're going to run codes, all system codes. We'll check all body codes and see if that's the problem. So we've run all codes. Fortunately, there are no engine codes, but there are several body codes. The one that we're most interested in right now is what's causing the windshield wiper to operate B1008, is indicating that there is a failure in the switch. This fix is pretty easy. All we need to do is replace this stock, and to do that we need to remove the upper and lower covers on the steering column, and that gives us accessibility to remove the stock. To remove these panels, there's 3 screws that need to be removed. There's 7mm, one here, one in the back, and the telescoping you'll need to pull all the way out to reach this one, and then there's one more right up here in front of where you'll adjust the column angle and extension. After removing the screws, these 2 panels are snapped together, so the screws secure it to make sure they don't come apart while you're driving down the road. You're going to need a special tool for this. This is a hex head. And actually to get to these, you can't get to this unless you turn the steering wheel 90 degrees. So you'll have to turn the steering wheel 90 degrees to access these 2 screws. So once you release the 2 screws, it just simply pulls out. So you'll need to pull the old one out. There's some dielectric grease on there. You'll want to put a little bit of dielectric on it. And that should have fixed this problem. So we're going to test this before we put everything back together. Vehicle's in the on position on the key, and there are no phantom wiper blades.